Okay. So we'll try to create vendor. So manage business partner. So let's go to the management, material management, manage business partner. Click on create and organization. Now we click on create and organization. And now we'll try to enter BP row. And that is what we look for, FI. So BP row, we'll look for FI vendor. FI vendor. Okay. And this is company. The name of the company is Midwest Supply. Midwest Supply, and then 000. Then we have a search term. Okay, we have to click OK. And then we can go for the search term. Number one, that is 000. So you can enter, this is my learn 000. That's why I'm using 000. So you can use your own number. And then we have to go for address, street. So we have to click on address now. Okay, the address area. We have to click on the address. And the street is this, Drive, full stop. Postal code is 68528. 68528. Country, city is Lincoln. How about the city? City is Lincoln. And the country or region is USA. Region is Nebraska. And E. And communication language is English. So this is the basic data that we have entered for our vendor. Okay, we go to the identification tab and we'll create the tax number. So we have to go to the identification tab and then we will create the tax number. So we have a tax number, we can create the tax number. Tax category is US 1. Tax category is, so we can select from the value and on the drop down list, US 1. Okay, social security number, and this is my 12-3456, 3456, and then 3-digit 000. So my text number is done. And now we can go back to the roles and we can create FLV00. Okay, guys. Now, so I can click on create. Now what I will do is I'm having some problem. Okay, at the moment it's okay. So far, so good. I can go to the roles and I can create another role. Okay, so we created that. Now I can go back to the edit. Okay, so I can go back to the edit. So now if you see, at this moment, I was not supposed to create, okay? After the text, I was not supposed to create, but I did create the supplier and I got the supplier number, okay? So in this case, what I have to do, I have to go to the edit, which I did that part, okay? I click on the edit and now I can click on the create. And this time I'll pick the vendor, right? Vendor FLVN 001, which is my vendor number this. Okay. And I can click on the arrow. And now we can see, okay, the company code is US00. So I can go to the company code, which is this one. So I have to enter, I have to make a create US00. Okay. And then we confirm by pressing enter. Now I can go to the finance tab and I can enter this value. In the finance tab, I can enter this reconciliation account, which is this one, payable. So payment data is there, 0001, which is pay immediately. And then double check, double invoice. This one, check double invoice. And then in the correspondence area, where is that correspondence? Is this one. In this part, I will be saying my ID, which is learn -000. And then click on the apply and click on the apply. We are done with this part. Okay, we got an error message here. Let's see what is that. Reconciliation account is required entry. Okay, we can go back to the reconciliation account. In this part, we have a reconciliation account. Huh? This is my reconciliation account. What's the problem here? So this is my reconciliation account. It's done. Reconciliation account is done. And then we have payable due net, and then we have payment term. Compare screen with the following screenshot. Payment data, this and this. So we've almost done that. That is fine. I can click on the apply. Okay, I did apply 2 times. Okay, one time I got the error, and second time I clicked on the apply, and let's see what is the error here. Reconciliation account LFB1 is required entry field. Okay, I can click on the save. Let's see. So it saved the information. I can go back to my next part. Now I can create the purchase organization. So I have to go to the purchasing organization area. I have to go to the purchasing organization area. Where is that? Oh, I have to go to the roles first. I have to go roles. In this one, I will be going for this part, which is my purchasing organization for this vendor. So I can purchasing organization for this one. Okay, and now what we have to do is we enter the US. This is done. This is done. Apply. Okay, system automatically create the. So it's okay. Now we are done with that. Okay. So we don't have to worry about it. So our customer is created now. Okay. So we have the errors, but we ignore that part and we just click on the save and it is saved now. And this problem, this problem did not appear for the partner function. Let's see if we can have a look on that partner functions. If you are in the purchasing organization, then we may have partner function. Let's see. Okay, at the moment, I don't see the partner function. Okay, maybe if I go inside the company code, and there I can see, even here I don't see partner function finance. No. So I can go back. Okay, if I go back to the roles, in the roles I have this one, number one, that is this one should be having the partner function. So at the moment we have saved, so we are all set with this part of the. So I got the Midwest Supply as 100000418. So in this, what I did when I created my customer and I reached to this point, when I create the FL vendor, I saved it. Okay, at this point I saved it. When I create this one and I entered my company code and I entered my username, there I saved it. Okay, so before creating the purchasing organization, I did save that, and then I saved it again. In that case, I don't have to worry about this one. It didn't ask me for that. So that's it.